Are we live? Hello, hello. Yeah, I don't know how to breathe anymore or speak. Okay, I put it too too close to me. Okay, there's the notifications that I'm live. Okay, I need to speak without both of my ears being covered because I don't understand what I'm saying. But now, hello, dear people of the interwebs. I hope you are doing great. Let me do an announcement. Do I wanna ping everyone? Why the fuck wouldn't I? Let's hold 3 people. What do I need to do? Need to. What's the name of it? Where is this? Okay. There's that. Live? Really? I used the live. Is there a difference? I don't think so. Does this work? It does. That's great. What did I want to say? Okay, yes, I need to write the message in Discord. I hope you guys are doing well. I know there's a lot of you here. 9,000 views on the YouTube channel. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Bitrate is fine. There's me as a viewer, and there's YouTube. Currently working at least. Okay, there is a 1080p. That's great. Making OpenAPI parser in TypeScript. Come watch me suffer. Great YouTube messaging as always. Publish yes to all my 3 followers. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see. Oops, that's not what I wanted to click. Mini. This is what I wanted to click. This is always lagging, but that's fine. So, let me explain what we're gonna be doing. There is this thingamajig called OpenAPI that shows all the requests that your service can make, which is cool. For example, here is one for the machines by Fly.io that I need for myself. So I was like, let me stream the process of making a parser for this. So what it has all the paths. This is gonna be a great stream. I already know. It's gonna have all the endpoints you can have, and it's gonna be like you have /apps, and you have a get and a post endpoint, and then these are some components or schemas, I guess, which are like, oh, you have an app schema, and it's an object with ID, name, organization. Okay, I need to get that back. Anyways, it has ID, name, organization, and status. It can also have like references, which reference another component from here, which I need to. Okay, perfect. Very easy menu wow. Okay, you see, it has that. And this organization has a property name and slug, and they're both strings and blah blah blah, like stuff like that. So what I want to have is first a parser, so I can make requests to it, and also like full TypeScript, like fill-in. It's not fill-in. TypeScript what? Let my brain think for a second. TypeScript what? And full TypeScript. Again, my brain is not working. autocomplete. So for example, if I type slash, if I go and do fetch slash app, and it's a get request, it's gonna be like, oh, you can add this body stuff. The body needs to be, I don't know, whatever the fuck it has, like user ID or something, and it has to be a string, and it's gonna parse it or whatever, and it's gonna tell me everything I can do. I can do slash apps, for example. Here, if you go to the pass section, you have apps, you have apps name, which you can get, delete, and stuff like that. So hopefully that's what I'm gonna have. It's probably gonna be something like post here slash apps, and then get, and then there's gonna be a delete slash apps slash, and you have to put in an ID or something like that. Hopefully, or it's gonna be like it's here, app name, and then you're gonna have to put an app name here. We're gonna figure that out, but first we need to parse this object. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Now, I already did something similar to this. So actually, let me open it up. CD SQL. To make sure I don't open God knows what. Let me find an example here that works. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, I already have something similar here that works with SQL, or I guess SQLite, SQLite, whatever the fuck. What's the name of it? Queries. So you can put create table if not exist, blah blah blah, and it's gonna give you everything there is. It's gonna give you some stuff like that's a type, and it can be a string, I think, or something like that. So it's gonna extract the name and the type, and it's gonna put it here. It's gonna be like, hey, it's marked, the type is string, and blah blah blah. And we're gonna do that the same thing, just with, you know, JSON, which is gonna be so much fun. So we're gonna be making a JSON parser in TypeScript to parse these OpenAPI specs. And this is the example one we'll be using. Const sample open API spec. Perfect. Actually, yeah, sure, like this. And we need to put it as const, otherwise it's gonna be a string. Now it's of type whatever the fuck this is. There's a big difference. If we don't put as const, if you check the type, it's gonna be okay, still this type. That's cool. Sometimes it won't be, sometimes it will be, so you're just gonna put as const anyways. Because maybe it's, what's the type? Is it different? It is different. Oh, I don't know. There is no in general. In general, you need to put it like this. That's all I know. So let's put it as that, just to be sure. Now we're gonna have some function that parses. So we're gonna call it parse this API spec. Oops, that's not spec. And it's gonna be of type T, and T is gonna extend string. And it actually extends string and return an object, sure, an empty object. And we're gonna do, what are we gonna do? This is gonna be some result type which we are gonna be working on. Parsed T. And then this is the main thing we're gonna be working on. So sure, doesn't matter to me. Return never. Nope. As never. So we're gonna be type checking this parser. So it's gonna be type A is parsed of not T but example. Actually, a type of example as open a spec, and you can see it's the same thing. So we need to like change it so it's not a blob, a string. It's gonna be some JSON type or whatever the fuck. And then here we can do actual parsing of it, and then think a bit about it. Okay, I'm gonna sneeze. Oof, God forbid. But actually, this is JSON. Huh. Oh, this can be so much easier. Huh. That would be actually so much easier. Okay. Change of plans. I thought it would be interesting to do it as a string, but let's not be that stupid. And then just do this. This should hopefully work. Should hopefully work. Const a. Okay, perfect. Now this is much better because if it's JSON, we can just like interact with it easier without like having to parse JSON, which is great news. Oof, I'm gonna sneeze. I'm sorry if I keep sneezing. For some reason, for the past few days, I've been sneezing a lot. So instead of writing a JSON parse, we can just parse objects, which is so much easier. And that's what we're gonna do. And then later we can do this parser of strings, but let's not do JSON parsing in a interpreter of an interpreter. Oh my god. I'm sorry, my brain not working. It's not working today. Oof. So what we're actually gonna be doing is type of A. Perfect. We're gonna delete this. And I sneezed. Oof, I'm sorry. Okay, that was a loud ass sneeze. I'm very sorry. I'm also sorry for. Oh god. Sneezing this hard and. How do you say when I breathe in through the nose? Oh god. It's gonna continue, doesn't matter. Okay, this is gonna make our life so much easier. Okay. So how are we gonna do this? Well, we know the interesting part is in the paths, which is just great, and also components. So we need to pass practically through for every path. We need to pass the path part. So for every path here that we have to like parse, we're also gonna pass the whole object, so we can get, for example, if it's asking like here for a reference to component schema machine, we can just pass this and be like, find it, and hopefully it does find it, but god knows. Okay, oof, I'm so sorry for sneezing and snorting the cocaine. Oof. So let's do this. How are we gonna parse it? So we know that the main part we need to look at is paths. Okay, perfect. So you get this path, a single one. Can we, from this, get another simple and execute list, metadata, key, ps, restart, signal, start? We can get this one. This one seems mini, simple enough, hopefully. We'll see. Okay, what does it not reference anything? Oh, this is even easier. Oh, perfect. Okay, and also let's just do this cons, because why not? Because we can. It's perfect. It's a read only. It's fine by me. I guess we don't have to do it. It's even better. Extends. Oh, it's probably like this. If pass in t. Huh. extends object. Okay, object. Type T, why not? Okay, and find now or the paths. These are objects. Or node. Oh my god, it's not partial, it's what's the name of that thing? Record, thank you. It's a record of string. No. Okay, perfect. And then let's paste this, and this is gonna work. So now it's gonna give us parse, and if it's some other stuff, other object is just gonna be any or null, I guess. This. Like type of A. Okay, it's gonna give us unknown. Okay, because it's not undefined. What is it? What is it indeed? Let's see. Okay, null. And there's I have this cool plugin that someone talked about. I can do this. And except yelling it also does, extends unknown. I hate this. Any? Would any be better? How do I give it an object? A string and whatever would be like great. So I don't have to think about it, but it's like being an asshole now. Anyways, what can I do? It's not this. T, let's do it like this. Looks like this. If T extends this, then T is otherwise. What? There's also this weird stuff. Okay, there it is. Since I've been doing this a bit, I know there is sometimes a difference if you do something an object thing extends some type, and that when that type extends this, and it seems that in this case this works. So I can probably extends, and this is gonna be no. And then this still works, which is just great. So what are gonna be my options? Yes. So where will this be used is my question. Where do I want this to be used? Because based on that matters how I'm gonna return the type. How do I wanna return the type? Or do I just, I mean, parsing it is fine because I don't really need to parse it. It's already like pretty parsed. See, this is the problem. This is string. But if I go as const, not const, I get this. Okay, this is why we need to go as const. But what's the difference? But what do I want it to do is my question. Because for me, this is all gonna be on the back end. So probably like a fetch API thing. Literally a fetch wrapper where I can put the, it's gonna be something like function fetch, and it's gonna take some key, the string, and then like payload value object or whatever the fuck. It's probably gonna be object like most of the time, or like null. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna try to make it nullable or optional, but I know how that goes, and it usually doesn't work. So it's probably gonna be required to put just like null or some shit, and then we're gonna use it like that. Now, I'm not gonna build in, or I can build in, I guess, but will I, is a question. Huh. I can build in like retries and stuff like that, but that's not what we're here to build. So I'm just gonna build fetch, and then I can build it either off stream or like on stream. The fetch wrapper that does all of that cool stuff. Okay. Just give me a second, guys. Oh my fucking god, this is so fucking loud. Oh, I almost clicked stop. Uh, okay, do you hear me? Hello, hello. So I do hear myself, which is good. Hello, Ravi, and I don't know, I don't want to pronounce it incorrectly. I hope you're doing great. Fuck. Okay, so I need to run for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna be back. I have to go get my girlfriend Well, I have to go get her. Oh, for fuck's sake. Do I have... Of course I don't. Let me make it a scene for burp. And I can just make like a fucking text over it. Text. Will be text. Be right. That's exactly how I spell it. Be right. Hello? Back. And okay, let's see how it looks. Perfect. Center to screen. Let's see, transform center. Oh, don't worry, I'm not nervous. Thank you though for worrying. I have to go. Does this work? Okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna be back in like 5 minutes. Okay, I should probably type that out. Fuck. I'm back in 5 minutes. Since counting from, that's not how we spell counting from 1833. Okay, let's also center it. I hate this. How do I center this stuff? Alignment, center. Perfect. Such great centering menus. Transform. What the fuck am I clicking? Center. Let's say it's from 35, so I have more time. I don't know. I don't use autosave. For what reason do I not use it is a good question, but I just not my cup of tea. Like I usually save often enough because like I save every time I click enter or something. Every time I finish a thought, I save. So yeah, I think it's fine that. Oof. Okay, BRB in 10 minutes. Seems like I lied. And I should. Okay, and that's so fucking loud. I'm back. I was away for almost 2 minutes. Oh my fucking god. Anyways, what are we doing? Let me fucking remember. Okay. So we need to make this return a function that does fetch and a key and a payload. Okay. That seems like it's gonna go easy. He says while lying. Hello? Okay. I was just testing the audio on Twitch. What shall I do? What shall I do? So we need to go through all the paths. Okay. Type parse path is like it's gonna be actually some key or I guess path, and then T is gonna have some methods here. Methods, type methods. It's gonna be a string for now, and it's gonna be extends string. That's not how you extend the string. String and T is what do we do? T, this is gonna be methods. Okay, method here then makes sense. Oof. So since we know this is a path, we can do k in key of. How do we do this? So we're gonna parse path for okay, key of T and T at paths at string. It can just don't think too much about it, and we're gonna just return a path. Let's see, what does this return? Okay, this returns the correct paths, which is apps and app slash blah blah. Okay, now we can have a parse method, and it's gonna be what? Do I want it there or here? Probably like here actually. Yeah, so, and then if T at paths extends, oops, rather, record whatever. If it does, then we do this, otherwise we do null. Yes, paths does extend. Infer paths. Is that? Aha, okay, this is how we do it. Infer paths extends. Why is it yelling here? P? No, extends. Okay, like this. Extends. Okay, paths. Holy shit. This is just a lie, it seems, but I don't have a clue. This seems like a lie to me, because this should extend a record of like the imaging. Why am I to say differently? Key of paths. This is not like just a string here, because I'm saying a string, so it should be like a string. Or okay, I can do extends key for key infer value. Can I lie like that? Key generic type extends string. An index cannot return mapped object type instead. Index image parameter can be literal type or generic type. Those are big words that I do not understand. So we're just gonna lie and do this there. Sure. Okay, and we're just gonna do a string because fuck you. Cannot do this. It seems like I can't. Doesn't matter. We're gonna act like it works perfectly fine. Then what are we gonna have? So we're not gonna return null. We're gonna actually should be return null. Never, sure, never. Oh my god. Back. Let me turn off some alarms if they remember themselves. Okay, now. Now, what do we need to do? We need to parse a method. And a method is method that extends method. It's gonna be m for method, and this is gonna be what? It's gonna be some stuff. So it's gonna have parameters and response. Get post is gonna have request body. Interesting. And parameters are the thing image. Okay, so it's gonna have some stuff. Method data type. Method data is, we can just like extend it later, and then data is gonna. Okay, and then this is gonna be parse method. It's gonna be method key of methods and methods at string, and it's gonna return m. It's never for some reason. Why is it never now? For fuck's sake. Path method. If I do just methods here. If I do path, it's okay, but if I do methods, it's not okay. How do I loop through keys? Let's do it like this. Like, key of paths. Actually, is that gonna be it? It's literal that. Okay. Like this. Okay, perfect. And here I was worried for a second. Let's see, it has get and post. Methods. parse method at key of method method at key of method number. Hello. Yes, my lady. It's fine. You don't need to do it right now. Bye bye. Okay, I'm good. Good. Why is it being a bitch? Maybe if I remove these, it's gonna work better. Symbol iterator string. That's huh. Why would it return that instead of method? Huh. And that's because I'm method so key of methods. Okay, I know why it's not working because I'm stupid methods. Okay, there. We have post, which is great. We also have other ones, but I guess post is fine. We also have get here and blah, 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 that matter. So it's gonna be a key. It's gonna be parse method. What are we gonna get there? What are we gonna get? Hmm. Huh. Okay, extends. We're just gonna do this. Key info key value for value. Now key is gonna be method plus metadata. No, route plus metadata. Path is gonna extend string. Okay, let's do this. It's gonna be key or key value never, because it should never get to that. I don't know. Okay, so it's getting to I don't, which is fine because this is not written the correct thing. The key is gonna be, so it's gonna be key. It's gonna be path. Like this, path, and value is gonna be a. Huh. So path or no? Yes, it's gonna be m. Huh. Why is it not working? I need a surgeon to help you later on using a mapped object instead. I'm sure this worked before, so why is it not working now? Let's open that other project up and see. Yes. And see what's wrong. TC and TC is this thing and blah blah blah, so on and so forth, blah blah blah. Okay. Huh. Can I just do like key here? Post. Can I uppercase? I think I can. Uppercase. Okay, so it's gonna be okay. Perfect. Post. Apps post. Chain start. Perfectly fine. But for some reason value is fine. but using key value is not fine, which is just great. Key of key. Hello. Yes. Thank you. Hello, dear. Store.
Thank you so much.
Don't worry, bro. Can you jump in?
Yeah.
Contacts. Key in. Oh, this is great. Yes. Okay, take it. And then value here. What the fuck happened, bro? Don't worry. Okay, sure. Extends string. Bottle of bottle.
Yes.
Here is bottle of bottle.
Good.
Okay, so now this looks like something we would use. Now just here needs to be stuff like the parameters and
Do you mind if I say how?
yes, I might, of course not, bro. Parameters and then request and response. Okay. I said no, I don't mind. Who the fuck is that? It's a ghost. Oh my god.
You might hear me sometimes. I hope I
Boo.
best
Boo.
be
Key. Yes. Very okay, mini boss. Thank you. Now that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's gonna be say. Okay. Parse. I don't think that anyone is watching. So if someone does reply, I'm gonna tell you. Parse.
I'm gonna with my camera.
Hell yeah. Parameter. What am I gonna do? Okay, parse parameter. It's gonna take this weird ass thing that's a parameter and just parse it. Okay. Param extends param later. And then is equal to what? It's gonna return. Okay, I got scared for a second. Param at name. Watch out, please. Value type. Huh? Type. Can I get a type?
Sorry, I just need
Scheme
to blow the
type.
candle.
Don't worry. Scheme type extends string. Oh fuck it. It's mostly gonna be a string, so if it's something else, we're gonna figure it out. It's gonna be data at parameters at number. It's unknown. Why is it unknown? Let's just see this. What's the data here? No, wait, that makes sense. Fuck. This?
Yes.
Watch out.
My
What?
I don't know, like I felt it a bit like burn, but I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna
Okay, that's smart. Do that. Now what the fuck am I doing here? Good question. So what is this? Testing. Lol. Parameters. Number. Because parameters is my question. This should be an array, I think. It's unknown. Huh. Why is it unknown? For you, why is it unknown? Oh wait, am I doing no method and method data? Method data? No, sorry, data. Data. Method data has parameters. Here, parameters. So I should be able to do this, and it should be not unknown. Why is it unknown? What off? Listen, don't worry, you scared the shit out of me though. Don't worry, bro, don't worry. Don't ya worry, a pretty little self. Blah 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 blah. Just give me. Huh. Parse methods. But no, it's fine because it has it. Literally here if I go, there is parameters. No. No, I'm stupid. Huh. Why is there no parameters? Dun dun dun.
Parameters.
Exactly. I don't know why though. What the fuck? No, that's where the fuck am I looking at this here? There was something. Let me just check. Show full types. TypeScript 5.8. .ts code settings based on. Now let me install pnpm add TypeScript at 5.8 plus. I know I checked the version that exists. It's 5.8.1-rc. RC. Perfect. Now if I go here, I should be able to set types, TypeScript. Okay, I need to be in here, TypeScript, select version, this. Okay, and then TypeScript, expandable, hover, drop. What, bro? No, it's great fun. It's perfect. Sorry, just had to look there. It's great, bro. Don't worry. Let me reload Windows. Tab. Where is the thingamajig? I know I had it somewhere. It's not. Oh. I think I'm correct version. February 8th. But I can change. Okay, so my type version is 1. Okay, that's good. So is there a pass? Am I blind? I mean, probably. Span Where did I use that? I think I used it. Let me just check. See. It is expandable however, so why the fuck is it not working then? Staying alive, staying alive.
Maybe.
Ah.
Can you pause your stream?
Yes, let me mute for a second. Okay, of course, just wait a second. Okay. 1, 2. How about you don't? Hello, can you hear me? Yes, you can, I think. Okay, you can. Let's see. What the fuck is wrong with this shit? Summary description, quest body. Quest body response. Or something else. Can you please expand? That would be great. We need to add it at 0 beta. Oh my fucking god. Okay, fucking perfect. Oh, why can it not go? So just can I please? I want more. Okay, let me. Let's make this easier. Let's do this. Parameters. There is a parameters. So just being a bitch.
I love how we're both cursing.
Hell yeah. Parameters. Hello? So it just was being a bitch before? I don't understand.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay. But if I do...
This, yes, this is no. Because they're doing this will be no.
Now, there's no parameters. Is it because it gets like... If I do this... Does it work now? Yes, it does.
Okay.
But here it doesn't work for some reason.
You say go.
Post, but I even have get here and it's not seeing it, which is just great. Why is parameters unknown? I don't have to. Oh, because, okay. I want some exact key here. So maybe what will be more... how would I do that? Loop through keys, TypeScript, whenever. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Of course. Of course, but other. I'm just gonna come for you when you're finish school. Yeah. Don't worry. It's not that hard to find. It's literally a straight line. Because I'm not stupid. I just not. Don't worry, bro. I just need to enter it through generics. Enter it through generics is not what I need to do. I lied. So key. Okay, so methods. What I need to do here is a lie. Okay. This is how we work here. We're just gonna make a copy, and then if we fail, we go back to it. So we're gonna have some key. E extends paths. That's how do I do this? Okay, so this is how I would do it. Maybe it's better this way. So instead of having methods here, we have method data. It's gonna be this. We're gonna have a record of path metadata. Okay, where am I? Okay. Paths. Method is again gonna be methods, which is at path. Yes, it can. And key of method is gonna be key of path at path. And then instead of data, it's gonna be methods. Have extends record of this. And data is gonna be methods at m parameters. Fuck. Okay, let's see if it works with one thing, and then we can see if it's completely broken. Okay, it works with one thing. It's not completely broken. Hello? Okay. Oof, okay, let's see. What am I doing here? From key of path. All the paths and I'm just getting it. It will pass here.
I'm gonna put my headphones.
Okay. Current. Okay, we can do method. Yes.
My favorite.
Oh my fucking god, you scared the shit out of me, bro. Brother. Oh my fucking god. Don't don't forget. I'm so sorry. You know why? Okay. Path methods, and then data is gonna be methods method. So we do this, and then we have my motherfucker, bro. So let's have this as here as well, and then here is two, I guess. No, this is not okay either. What the fuck, bro? How did I fuck this shit up? Okay, shit. How did I fuck that up? Okay, what's the data here? Let's check that. So we have key paths, and then key of method, and then method. Methods. Methods. Key of methods. And then this is a method. Methods. And this is then data for that method. Huh. Methods at not method, it's at m. Okay, that's my bad. Okay, now this works, but this also doesn't. Huh. Hmm. What do I do? What do that do? What do that do? But why does it not use the get here? That's my question. It's my more important question. I only find the post, not the get. If I do this, do I get? I don't get anything. What the fuck do you mean I don't get anything? What the fuck, bro? Huh. Huh. Okay, I don't understand this at all, bro. So I get the paths, which is this. Can I infer key? Value. Infer key. Value. Key. Value. Key. Once. Does this work? I just want to. No. This is just great. Wow. Same number of. That's just great. Huh. Extends. How does it work now? Okay, it works now. Okay, good. What? Get, post, and something else. Okay. Huh. Maybe this is better. Maybe. Who knows though? I need this, which means I don't need this anymore here. Which means this should be called methods, and this is key of methods. This should extend method data. Extends method data. Don't worry, it's okay. For key extends string. What the fuck? It extends method data. Key of method. Shut up. Method is a string. Key of methods. I still don't get the get, which is so weird. Why key of methods then? M extends method. Can I? Maybe this? Why do I get methods here? Okay, I know why I get methods here. I still get, you don't get the get, which is cool. So methods, and then I can do this. If methods extends record of infer method and infer data, then we do something, otherwise we do never. And then here we can do this thing. Stop lie here. Priятно. I will eat. I just want to think for like 10 more minutes or something, and then I'm gonna eat. Don't worry, okay?
What will you get?
Tonight, no. Tomorrow, maybe. I probably work and stuff later. I don't know. Oh, I've been recording for that long, but okay, that makes more sense. Method, key, and method, and then data. And data here. Method. Remove this. I don't like this. So method and then method data. No. Get, post. That's not really what I want. Okay. What it does here is that for each get and post, it does stupid stuff. Or no, for each type of parameter, it does stupid stuff, which is just like so fun. No, for each get and type of parameter and everything, it does stupid stuff. How good. I know method extends a string at least. Extends. Are you okay? Dear. Dear. Ah, okay.
Huh?
Are you okay? Okay, okay. Congrats. Good for you, I guess. I'm sorry, I'm joking a bit. I joke. This is what we call not good stuff. Key in key value. Huh. Parse method. What if parse method just literally that by itself? So parse method is this thing, and it's gonna return add this. That's a lot of words that I don't understand. Simple property. Key. And then can I lie like this? Key. Can I do pretty? Yes, shit. That would be great. Fuck, I don't have a pretty here. Vim. Pretty. Really? Utils. Oops, it's wrong. Source utils. Where's pretty? Fuck, I saw it. Paste this. Copy. Yeah, paste this. I can. Perfect. Let's just paste that all the way down. Okay, I lied. I'm not pasting that all the way down. This is so fucking long. Can I call prettify on this stuff? How cool. Key in. Key. Parse method of apps options. Start of getter post and then all of this stuff. So fucking stupid. And the reason why it's not fucking what? Okay, let's hope this. Oh my fucking god, this is again that stupid ass shit that we had before. Who would have thunk? Stupid ass. It's literally a string block. It stands string. Like, I don't know what you want me to do. Key is not assignable type string. Unless I'm fucking blind, it is. Extends string. Perfect, motherfucker. Okay. This again is wrong. But it gives an interesting thing because it gives parse methods all the paths for some fucking reason. Parse method gives path. It's just should be a single fucking path. And then a value should be the path of the key. I don't think that's the problem really. We can check. Maybe it is literally the fucking result. That's fucking great. I'm gonna code A1 a pretty fine. Okay. I was gonna be surprised if it worked, but of course it doesn't work. Fucking hell. I was hopeful that it's gonna work, but Okay, so fucking this over. Huh. Loop through. Go through. Enumerate object TypeScript template. Every time I close this thing, I need it again. But again, I don't ever enumerate on like objects here. I think so, at least. I mean, I certainly don't enumerate. For each key in keys, do something. That would be great if I could do that, but I can't. So, but now at least I get the get from the apps, I think, which is like cool, very cool many vowels. And if I just didn't have this, it would get apps. For some reason, it does get for this, and it shouldn't get that. Oh, my head hurts from this shit. What shall I do? What shall I do? What shall I do? Huh. This or this here now. I still get multiple paths here, which is for some reason I get multiple paths, which I don't understand. Huh. That's from here and that's from here. Key and key value. Okay, this just now. Key stands in for key. Off in for key. Object type instead. Mapped object type. Key of key. Now what the fuck do I need to do? Key of key in key in key. Which of it gonna do? And then it's gonna be key. Why is it not pretty fast for parse methods? It doesn't go deep. one more time. I'm just gonna make it go deep and make it lie. Apps. This actually works great. So now I just need to get that key. How this? This seems to work, which I fucking hate. It's because being a fucking bitch. No. I mean, I can just use. I'm already doing that. Why just not use that? At string. K in key off. Key. So it cannot be used in next step. I don't think I agree with that. Okay, I think I can then do at key of this. And it's gonna be this, which is just great. Okay, we're finally getting somewhere by using this bunch of bullshit. Which means I need to do this bunch of bullshit everywhere. Just like so nice to have to do that. Smiley face. Huh. Huh. Why don't we do this? Open API spec. It's gonna have paths for sure. And that way I don't have to worry about this here. I can do like pass is key of this. Path, I'm sorry, path. In key paths, this is gonna be in paths. Extends string. It does not work. Just like an ass. That's what you're. Perfectly works most of the time. Oh, I'm so glad this works. And then I wanna do parse parameter. Key type. Schema type should be name. Is it not name? It's blind. Not impossible. Okay, app name or machine ID. And this is where we need to do the other thing again. Oof. I'm just gonna give it all the parameters. It's gonna do some magic to it. Which is like type param is gonna be do plop. Okay. Name is gonna be some string. This is gonna be a string. string. This is gonna be a boolean, and this is gonna be string. Like that. Params stands param array, and then param data. Let's do that. Param data here. This is params param param. So for key in k in p of params at k. Okay, that works. It's good. Very good. I think so. But what I would actually want is probably something like, yeah, this. Fuck. Parameters. Parameter. This is gonna be param data, and this is gonna be is gonna be this, and this is gonna extract string param name. And what I'm gonna return is key then the type. Key. And it's gonna be parse param, which is gonna be param set key. Param set key. Param. Parameters any fuck. Huh. Okay. This is how we do that. Hello? Thank you. When my brain works correctly, it just works great. Key of at great. Let's just do almost works. So key is parameter name. Okay, key in. And for some fucking reason this works, but the other thing doesn't. This is actually so good. Now my type is this, and it should be like this param required stands true. Should be type like this, because I want it to be nice. It should be type, otherwise show now. Partial. Can I lie here and say this? Well, this is gonna be false. Will this work? Nope. Over the tongue. Undefined, I guess. Is that like partial? There's a bit of a difference, that's the problem. not undefined. Type otherwise. Okay. This is how we do it. Okay, so this is first example. Here is the other one. Then we just do p of key type else to p of the option type. Perfect. Already a genius. Should probably like this. Something like this is probably the best. Okay, this is going great. Oh fuck, I'm fucking blind. Hello there, you wrote a minute ago. Okay, that's good. I'm building a OpenAPI parser in TypeScript, but like, so it. How the fuck do I explain this? My brain stopped working for a second. TypeScript parser for OpenAI spec, OpenAPI spec, not OpenAI, OpenAPI spec that allows me to have like autocomplete by just having like the spec here without having to generate any types. Finally explained it. My brain goes so fucking fast. That's good. Okay. And currently we are finishing, or finishing in quotation marks, we are finishing this small part of like showing all the parameters that are required for the route, I guess, whatever, however you say it. And now we're gonna go on to, where is this? A request body? Well, now, probably not now, probably tomorrow. But on parameters? Parameters. Was this not parameters? Huh. Why does this have parameters? It's a get. A get parameter is different, interesting. It makes sense though. But yeah, we finished parameters, which is good. But now we're gonna go on to other into other places like bodies and stuff. But I know exactly why this is not working. It's here. This is why it's not working. Instead of this, I should do something like here. So I get and methods. And I want to have a method which is it extends string and is equal to key of methods. And then this stuff. Key methods is gonna be parse method, which is gonna take the path and then the methods at key and then method. Yes, it does. Don't lie to me. Oh, for fuck's sake! Now this is broke again. Every time we take a step forward, we take like 7 steps back. But I guess that's good. Yeah. Who knows? Key of methods. I think so. Methods. I had methods is record string of unknown data. Methods. Methods data? Methods data. Oh. Good question. Extends. Does this work? No, it doesn't, of course. Huh. The data. Okay, that's because I forgot to pass the key here. Well, if I passed everything, it should work. Okay, it doesn't work still, fuck. Path, method, which is key. And then metadata, which is extends record. Whatever the fuck. I feel like it's stupid, but I cannot fix that. For key in method, not methods. Okay, that's right. It wasn't working. Oh, for time, fuck. Okay. Finally, we are back here. Oh my fucking god. But now we get the correct parameters, which is even better. Now what else is there? I need to parse. Well, forget that's that. And I mean, I have to get the response, but we are gonna worry about it later. And for post, I need a request body. Content, application, JSON, which makes sense. Schema reference, and then I have to go to this. Great. Oof. Let's see. Request body, content, application, JSON, schema. Probably reference. Oof. So if it says ref, I know it's a reference. Otherwise, how would it look? Probably something like this. Just a name? No. Probably not. It would just be inline. Like type or something. Oh, let's see. Save. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna commit this. And then we are gonna continue working on this tomorrow. Because we worked a lot already. GitHub, and if it's not gonna be signed in, that's just fucking great. Let me just for a sec disable my screen so I can open Git in my main browser when it's hopefully logged in, or I can at least log in. GitHub.com, and we're gonna make a new repository. It's gonna be called OpenAPI, OpenAPI.ts or something like that. Wait, I think you guys can watch this at least. Yeah. OpenAPI.ts. I think that's a good name. And then create a repository. I move it here. And then. So git it. Perfect. Oops. Now let's add a git ignore. Git ignore. What are we gonna ignore? Not modules. Not modules. Something we're certainly gonna ignore, and that's that. Everything else we don't ignore. We're gonna add everything and then remove this. And I'm also gonna add, this is a flavor of mine that I like to have everywhere. Should just have a ignore That's why I can just have a folder that's ignore, or like, a file that's just ignored, but usually it's just a folder when I dump everything. That's what I like to have. Okay, let's see. So GitHub, git ignore, nvmrc, package, ISC. What the fuck is the ISC? Okay, let's see. See license. Unlicensed. 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 License. Okay, that's not what I wanted. There is that one that like forbids everything. No, when you don't have a license. No license. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove the license fee. What the fuck? Package JSON. No, sorry, package JSON. We're gonna remove the license, so I don't have to think about people. I'm saying that because I don't want anything to break and someone say anything to me. You're gonna publish it under MIT or whatever the fuck later. But for now, I would rather not have fuck ups. Like it 3 to 5, 1. It's 0. Open API.ts. I think that. Let's see. npm. Perfect.
Yes,
I will, don't worry, bro. It isn't, don't worry, I'm gonna eat in like a second. Relax, bro. Relax, bro. Don't worry. Mwah. That's not keywords. I'm blind as fuck. Okay. Get ignored. Fine. MMRC. Fine. Package JSON. Fine. Package lock. Fine. Settings. Fine. The full spec. Fine. The mini spec. Fine. The main. We're just gonna bloop that here. And then just start deleting stuff from here. That doesn't make sense. Like this. Fuck that. Or that. Let's go like through this nicely. This is the. It's just I don't care. It's just I don't care. That's what it is. And then I'm gonna fix these errors at some point. Let's see. Okay, spaces, blah blah blah. Okay. We have what's the name of that? Parameters work. Oops. That's exactly what I want. No, I don't have a clue, bro. I don't have a clue anymore what I'm saying. Fresh, this is all fine. Status get commit. Parsing parameters correctly. I think this is how it's spelled correctly. Just to be sure. Okay, it is correctly spelled. Haha. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Parsing parameters correctly. Okay. Git push. It's not gonna push because there's nowhere to push. I didn't do this. Oops. Hello. Okay, fuck you, I guess. The master. Because we are nice. We push the master. I need to fix that. Okay, now if we go here and refresh, it should be here. Look at this beauty of a code. Let's copy this and plop it in the source code section. Save. I love it. tomorrow, probably earlier than this, we're gonna continue, hopefully, if I remember. If I don't, let's see. I'll just do this. If you like what I'm doing, or anything like that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or whatever the fuck it is. Here on Twitch, follow, I guess. Join the Discord. Very good stuff. I think this. I hope this works. This, if I can spell Discord. For certain, no, it doesn't work on YouTube. So I'm just gonna copy paste that manually. Okay, it works. There's a link. That's good. Follow if you like. If you want to see more. I'll see you tomorrow at some point, probably ish. As always, hopefully. So now it's 8 p.m. my time. So hopefully around 3 p.m. That depends if I go to school though or not. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Anyways, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow or some other point in time.